Jean Persani, happy Sunday. Okay, you guys, look at this. I got my Fab Fit Fun box. So let's go ahead and open it and see what we've got in here. A humongous box. I'm gonna put it down. Hold on, I got this. Alright. First things first, it comes with a little magazine. And it's totally cool because you get to see all your items like this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be bringing out my little readers here. I might as well just do that right now. So, oh yeah, you can totally see. So it has all the different things that you may or may not be getting. You do get to choose some of your items when you do have a certain level, I believe. And let's get started. We've got a $45 credit to Bright Cellars, little wine thing. We also have, pass this on to a friend to get $15 off your first Fab Fun, and it comes with a code. I'll put that code down beneath. I don't know if it's for one person or if it's for multiple people, but I'll put that in there, and if you want it, the first person gets it, or you can keep trying and maybe it works on everybody. Also an $80 HelloFresh meal kit. You know, I have friends that use this and I'm like, I wonder if it's good. So, I mean, I've had them before because my friends have them, and so I just don't like to cook too much. There's a lot of cooking involved. So, okay, this is by Soya and Caillou. It is, well, let me see here. It is, well, there we go. Hold on. I'll get there. I will get there. Scarf cardigan crossover is crafted with signature woven fabric and drapes beautifully over the shoulders. And it has a price on there if you bought it at the store of $85. And look, I love this little thing right here. It's just a little metal piece stitched in there. But check this out. That's pretty. Look at the colors. And it's just a long cardigan. Very pretty. So I love the FabFitFun boxes because you get so many good things, and they are things that are good enough to give away, like as gifts and, you know, things like that. This is Bottega, New York. Look how huge this bag is. That's huge. Now, it's got these pockets, and I'm like, is this a gun purse? No, it's absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I'm like, okay, well, here's another one. And also, nothing in there. So, but it is nice and big, that's for sure, to carry your laptop, your iPad. It's got a pocket in here. It's got two other pockets like for phones. So I thought that was kind of cool. Let me see what it says on there. They had two different kinds you could choose from. They had an over-the-shoulder like backpack type, where they had this one. This one is the Bottega New York Bond Tote. Use the spacious carry-all to hold your laptop, makeup bag, and more without weighing you down. And it was a $128 bag. $128 bag. And the thing about this is if you go on their sites and you try and get it, it is there. It's on their site. Not the FabFitFun, but like the brand, so Bottega New York. And it is $128 if you go to buy it. So I think that's cool. You're getting such a great value. Okay, so this is awesome. My husband buys these for me every so often. I love them. Actually, he's only bought me one, and I've bought the other one. And now I have this one. You see that? It's a sponge. It smells wonderful. And all you do is, when you wet it, it lathers up. And it is a body wash. So it's a body wash and a buffer. And these, I know they're $16. I don't have to look it up because he's bought me one. I've bought one. It says it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. The directions: you place the sponge under water, squeeze to absorb, massage in circular motion to cleanse skin, and squeeze out excess water after each use. You guys, these last a really long time. It's not one of those things where you just use it a couple times and it's done. No, this is good for a long time. And this is called, or it's by Spongel, and the smell is sweet cedarwood. So, love that. That will not be a gift. That will go into my that will go into my shower. This is the Body Crop Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil, illuminating milk for face and body. Isn't that cute? That's a cute little milk jug there. It's vegan. It's liquid radiance in a bottle. Creates a long-lasting, lit from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter. It's a highlighter. So, shall I open it? Let's open it. Let me just get out some little scissors here. See, I decide, am I going to give this as a gift? Nope. That one's staying with me. Ooh, yes. Look at that color. Is that pretty? Here, maybe there. Oh, look at that. All right. Oh, it's so liquidy. Can you see it? Oh my gosh. Look, I just put that little bit. You can already tell it's going to go like such a long way. See that? Nice. There's no smell. What else I got in here? I've got a So Rich NCLA Los Angeles treatments, and it's vitamin E infused cuticle oil. I'll definitely need that. But nice. Let's see what that says. Oh, what was the price of that body milk? The Beauty Shop Glow Milk, $19.50. That's a good price. Yeah. All right, the nail treatment 5B. This Lux Vitamin E infused cuticle and nail treatment features a delicious horchata scent. Do you know what horchata is? It's like a rice milk drink. Oh yeah. It's like vanilla-y, cinnamony kind of smell. If you haven't had horchata, you should try it. It's a dessert. It is definitely a dessert. Okay, next thing. What is this? This is, oh yes. This is Daniel Stone perfume, but it's not a perfume. It's a room spray. Yes, it smells so pretty. I love it. I'm just gonna spray my craft room. I'm probably just gonna leave it in here. I actually have a coconut craft room spray that I use for just to, you know, put a smell in here. Let's see, what does that say? Where is it? Oh, okay, this one is called, see that? Santal Noir. That is the smell. And I know this because when I'm looking at the little book, there's two, and one says pumpkin spice. So it's not pumpkin spice. Let's see. Guess how much this room spray is. I mean, that's a big amount. Go ahead, guess. Put your guess in the comment below. Just comment, I will wait. And then I'm going to tell you. Did you put your comment? Okay, I think you did. Stone Candles Room Spray in Santal Noir. Spritz your room with a musky blend of sandalwood and cardamom. Oh, no wonder I like it. I love cardamom. $36. $36. $36. Oh my goodness. I would never spend $36 on a room spray. But I bought the box. It's $49. And I got all this stuff. How cool is that? Man. And there's still 2 more things in here. This is called Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. Whipped cleansing cream made in Italy. Apply gently on skin and massage in a circular motion for 60 seconds. Wipe with a washcloth or face sponge and rinse with lukewarm water. Ideal to gently remove makeup for all skin types. Oh, is it a makeup remover? Huh. Let's see. Let's see, that is called 4C. Formulated with black winter truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this cleanser renews dull skin and helps maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. Alright, what made me want to smell this? Oh, sweet almond oil. See if it smells like almond extract. And then once I pop the the seal, that's no longer a gift either. So it looks like I have a lot of stuff that I'm going to be keeping in my little bag of tricks. Hold on. Oh, this is not a twist off. It's thick. There is a smell, but I'm not sure that I love it. It does not smell like almond to me. Okay. Okay, last one, and I've been seeing it. I know exactly what it is. It's Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. Eyeshadow palette. I love it. Let's open this up. I already know. This one's staying with me. Yes, it's got all of my colors. Look at that. I already know I'll be using the rice pudding, the nana pudding. I don't know about the mango pudding. I don't know. That's the mango right here. But definitely all the other ones. Look at that almond jelly. Right here. The bread pudding. Look at that. It doesn't smell. I have one, is it a tart palette? I don't know, I don't remember what the palette was, but it's called Peaches and Cream. And you guys, each of the eyeshadows in that smell like a different type of, like peach pie, peach cobbler. But there's no smell in this one. They don't smell like pudding. But I will be using it. I love it. And I believe, let me look, I think these are like in the $40 range, but let me just double check and get you the right price. Is there another page? Oh, it also has some recipes in here. And this is the fall box. So they're giving us fall decor tips and some, of course, pumpkin cauliflower mac and cheese, pumpkin spice date shake, and a pumpkin sage pizza. Very nice. I don't see the palette. Let's see. Oh, there it is. 3E. Okay, effortlessly create day-to-night looks with a variety of matte and shimmer shades. Plus, the palette is hard-pressed for minimal fallout. I said 40, it's 38. So, I do know my palette prices. Even though I'm not much of a makeup, like, connoisseur? Is that the word? But, alright. So that's everything that's in my FabFitFun box. Again, I'll put that one code and see if anybody wants to use it. I don't know, I think that's a pretty good deal. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you get FabFitFun for yourself or what your favorite item is in here. Let me think. I have to say, it's not really the most expensive thing. Well, I obviously love this, okay? But I think I have too many. I think it's these 3 items. The room spray, the palette, and of course this is my favorite because I know it. And I would have bought it anyways, so there we go. Alright, beauties, I hope you enjoyed everything. I think it was a pretty darn good value, and I think I got 2 Christmas gifts out of it. Alright, I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know if you like these. If you do, make sure you subscribe, and make sure to set the reminders so that you don't miss any of my future episodes. Have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!